Hello and welcome to another creative writing class. Today we're going to continue to explore narrative writing, and we're going to talk a little bit more about detailed writing using some more tools. So first we're going to start off with a video.
Please welcome our next contestant, Mohammed Quatani, The Power of Words.
Words, when said and articulated in the right way, can change someone's mind. They can alter someone's belief. You have the power to bring someone from the slums of life. When we did the semifinals and I won, they asked me to say something, and I said, honestly, I didn't prepare anything because I did not expect to win.
Today we're going to talk a little bit more about the power of words. As you saw in that video, the power of words is very strong. You can use words in many different ways. So we're going to try to use that in our writing today. Starting with some tools. Descriptive writing is writing with flair. It means using words so that they paint a picture for the reader, but doing so in ways that often surprise the reader. Here are some of the tools available to you. Simile. A simile is comparisons using like or as. Examples of that are, the surface of the moon is like crumpled sandpaper. I felt as nervous as a fish out of water. As clear as crystal. Next, we're going to move on to metaphors. Metaphors are comparisons minus the cue words. And here are some examples. My tears were a river. His heart was on fire. She hit the wall of exhaustion. So as you can see here, we have a lot less of the cue words, and it's a lot more literal, but obviously your tears cannot be a river, but they're using metaphors to exaggerate their point and get their point across in a dramatic way.